Welcome to Telematics configuration tool. Today, we will overview the auto-update functionality. No need to keep an eye on a wiki knowledge base or install several configurator versions for different devices. Now, TCT will automatically check for the updates and will inform you in the Notifications tab. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. In the Notifications tab, you can check the list of changes made in each new version of TCT by pressing See What's New. Version history is also available in the Settings section. Press Update to download new version of TCT. Wait until the download is finished and press Restart and Install button. Proceed further with the installation.